Hello everybody, this is Dr. Bam. I am the Program Coordinator for the Education Department here at Hill College. This video reviews the background check requirement statement that is included in all courses in the Education Department. The statement reads as follows. For students in this course who have offenses listed in their criminal background check, please be advised that your background check could keep you from working with children and/or being licensed by the state of Texas as a teacher. In addition, it could keep you from completing required field experience hours for both education and child development courses. If you have a question about your background and licensure or understanding of this statement, please speak with the program coordinator or dean listed in your syllabus. You also have the right to request a criminal history evaluation letter from the applicable background agency. Following this statement is a bullet point on if the course requires or does not require a background check. Courses that require you to complete 16 hours of field work will most likely to require you to complete a background check. The background check is completed by the school or early childhood program you are visiting and not through Hill College. For example, in this video, the bullet point reads, this course requires 16 field experience hours. Therefore, you will most likely have to complete a background check at the school or program you are visiting. All courses in the Education Department include the background check requirement statement to make sure students are aware and able to make decisions on continuing to pursue an education pathway based upon their criminal background. If you believe that you may have an issue with your background check, please contact me at jbam@hillcollege.edu. You can find this email listed under Program Coordinator at the end of your syllabus. You can also call me at 817-760-5902 so that we can discuss your next steps for addressing any background concerns.